Hi there. Today we'll be constructing a 3-inch by 3-inch by 3-inch 45-degree axonometric cube. The tools you'll need are your drawing board with parallel ruler, a sheet of 18 by 24-inch Strathmore paper, your 45-degree triangle, your architectural scale, 6H and 3H lead, and 1 or 2 lead holders, as well as your pointer, and a drafting brush, of course. First, I will measure off my 18 by 18 paper size. Next, I'll find the vertical center line of the paper. So now I know that if I draw my cube along the center line, it will be centered horizontally. In order to center vertically, I need to know the overall size. So I know that the vertical leg is going to be, or the vertical front edge will be 3 inches, because all edges in this cube are 3 inches long. And then the diagonal of the top is going to be 3 times the square root of 2 due to the Pythagorean theorem. So that's approximately 3 times 1.414 is about 4 1/4. So if I add 3 plus 4 1/4, that's 7 1/4. That my cube will be tall from bottom corner to top corner. And subtract that from 18 gives me 11 3/4. Half of 11 is 5 1/2. Half of 3/4 is 3/8. So I want to put the bottom of my cube 5 7/8 of an inch from the bottom of the paper. So I'll mark that here. So here's my mark for 5 7/8 of an inch from the bottom of the paper. And I will go ahead and draw my first 2 edges through that tick mark. Too much coffee? Notice I don't try to draw those exactly 3 inches long. I just need a construction line to measure on. So now I can measure my 3-inch edge. And from that point, I will draw a horizontal construction line to make sure those edges are perfectly aligned. Draw my other edges. Even here I want to run wild through that vertical line to make sure that as these cross, they're as precise as I can make them. Okay, now I need my vertical edges. And again, I will measure 3 inches along that vertical edge. Draw a horizontal line through that. and finish my top two edges. I think we did pretty well. This is pretty crisp. Each of these is pretty accurate. So now I will go ahead and darken the edges of the cube itself. All of those lines we did with 6H, so now I'm going to come back with 3H and draw the final lines of the cube. There we have it, 3" by 3" axonometric cube, 45-degree projection.